Hi everyone, Ramadan Kareem. Today we're going to make squishy. We're going to make an apple squishy, but you can do any kind of squishy that you like. Look, it's really cute. So you need cotton, colors, and tape and scissors. You can use glue or any kind of tape that you have in your house. First thing, you're going to fold the paper like that. Here, fold it. Then you're going to draw any um, any drawing that you want. So I'm going to draw the apple. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the eyes. If you're drawing the eyes, you can draw with a black color or marker or a pencil. So I'm going to draw with a black marker like that. Oh, it looks really cute. So I'm going to draw the mouth, and here I am done. So the third thing we're going to do is that we're going to cut the shape. You can cut any kind, if you're drawing another drawing, not the apple drawing, you can draw any kind of drawing that you like, balloons or anything you want actually. So here I'm going to cut it, and it looks really cute. The next thing, you're going to get the tape. Okay, so be ready with your tape and your glue. But here I'm going to tell you something, that we have two pieces, so be sure that you have two pieces. So I'm going to put them together on each other back. So I will going to do them with the tape. Here, look. Then I'm going to, from down, I'm going to do them with the tape. Look, I'm doing them with the tape. Okay, so I'm doing them with the tape now, from down. Here I'm doing them. Okay, so then be sure that there's up place to put your cotton in it. Okay, so I'm going only to put another tape from down, so it will be really good. Here. Okay, then the next thing, I'm going to take some cotton and fill it with cotton. So if you have a piece of cloth or anything, you can get plastic or cotton plastic bags and cut them into small pieces, then put them in your squishy. So like anything you can fill with it's your squishy, so you can do anything. So I only use the cotton, so you can use a piece of cloth, anything. So look here, I'm going to put the cotton inside. Here I'm filling it now. Okay, here, so I'm putting the cotton inside. Now here. Okay. Here, so I put the cotton inside now. Then after you put the cotton, you get back the tape. Then you get the tape and close it from up. Here, so I'm closing it now. But you be sure that you're cutting the endings, because there's sometimes, like here, I'm cutting them with the scissors, because sometimes the tape is outside, is not really good with you. So you can use a glue or glue gun. But be careful if you're using glue gun. Here, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to glue it one more time, so it can be real good, and I can squish it real good. So here I made this lovely squishy, and you should try it at your house, and it is and when like I squish it really hard, it like I feel really relaxing because it makes you relax like that. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel to be the first to watch my videos and those craft videos that are amazing. See you in the next video. Bye.